Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. So for Chainlink, I would like to show another possibility here on the chart. So in the last videos, we talked about that, yes, indeed, this could have been the low. Yeah, we hit at the time my target area. This was a target level, the target box of this wave 5 completion here, which then obviously also completed here the wave C, Y, and the larger wave 2. So from a higher level point of view, we were, yeah, depending on if it's finished or not, in a wave 2. So first wave here up in April 21, then wave 2 down. In this wave 2, a WXY pattern. Within the wave Y, which is the last wave, we have an ABC. Within the C wave, we've got 5 waves down, and it is technically possible to count 5 waves as complete, and therefore we need to keep an open mind that the overall correction could be finished. However, if the overall correction is finished, then we should really see some significant movement to the upside, because this would assume we have seen here already from the low a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 down. Here we already didn't manage to make a wave 3, so this could be possibly another 1 and another 2. But, you know, something should be happening now, and it doesn't, you know. And in my opinion, the way all of this looks at the moment, I showed you already in the last video here this possible bearish count as well, which indicates that we are here just in that the wave 5 is a longer wave, that this here was only the first wave of the 5th wave, and that this overall wave will be down here somewhere after 5 waves are complete. So this is anyway the bearish risk that we still have on the chart, because we have come down really close here to that 88.7% fib level at $6. There isn't much price action missing to make a lower low. You know, 530 was so far the low. And we're just lacking bullish price action. I've told you throughout that we need to break above that 750 level first anyway to consider a more bullish count more seriously. Until then, there is just a lot of weakness in the chart. We need to get out of these sell zones. That is so important. But at the moment, we're just not doing it. And also, again, like on many other crypto charts, you've got the 50-day moving average coming down here, currently located at $7, not allowing the price to push much higher. So we need to be aware about that level as well, the $7 level, then $7.50. But really bullish, we can't really become really bullish until we get above that $9.70 level. So what is now the other possibility I wanted to show you? Well, we can assume that here this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we can also look at this a little bit differently. There is a possibility that all of this is some kind of an Elliott wave triangle. So just want to show you, it doesn't really change the scenario much, but I think this is definitely a chart, you know, something that we want to have on the radar, where we moved up here in 3 waves, yeah, to form a wave W, basically a WXY pattern. So that we peaked here with the wave W, then we made a swing low here with the wave X, and then we had a wave Y that peaked pretty much here. Yeah, we just double check that. A, B, just adjust it a little bit. Just checking the waves here, where we moved up from the wave X low, which was here. Yes, so we moved up in a wave A, coming down in a B, C, D, E. Okay, so that means W, X, the Y would be here. The correct count needs to be A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, and then you would break out to the opposite of the wave E, so that the impulse has just started now. So this is an important one. That is certainly a possibility based on an Elliott wave triangle. Absolutely adheres to the requirements, and then it would indicate that we've only just now started the wave 1. Possibly here already a 1, 2, but that is not impulsive enough for me. So really maybe just a wave 1 we've just finished, and we need to keep an open mind that we will retrace now, maybe in a wave 2. and then come down further. So what I just want to highlight here, that here now another bearish scenario has found its way on the chart, making the bearish outcome more likely. We have a bullish scenario, but for the bullish scenario, we want to see price action first above $7.50, even better above $9.70. Which also means that as soon as you go above $7.50, you should see quite a strong increase in price, ideally with volume. So that would be a trade setup. But overall, the idea would be to head down lower. In the first scenario that I showed you with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, which basically was this one here. Yeah? And the other scenario where pretty much we've only just started the wave 1, which doesn't make a great difference, but it means we just have another bearish scenario on the chart, which for me makes the bearish outcome more likely. Okay, so we need to be on high alert here for lower prices. Based on this elliott wave triangle, we've already broken below the wave D low. If we now make it above the last low at 587, I think it is very likely we also see the $5.30 level. And if we see that, yeah, I think we could also break it with a high likelihood and then really move down lower. Okay, and that is my view about Chainlink here at the moment. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.